Hi and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we have a little bit different topic than usual. I feel like we're gonna need to go through this topic eventually, so why not as well now? When I say pedophilia, I mean sexual attraction towards children, towards younger adults even. Um, it's not that common, but it does happen. It does happen that some people have naturally problems with their psychology, that they're driven differently, and that their sexuality is different than us normal people. And the point of the video is just for you to notice that it is a born thing. You're born with it. Like, you don't choose to be a pedophile. Yeah, rape is different stuff. Rape is you do choose to rape. But the point is to not judge someone for their sexuality, and not to try and judge them, because judging them will lead to nothing. And if you could see where they're coming from, and if you could see that they didn't choose to feel this way, and that they are the victim of their circumstances, then you wouldn't judge them, and you wouldn't envision them as this some kind of evil person, a sick evil bastard. Yeah, we judge people for their flaws, and we don't realize that we are born with these flaws. Like, people don't choose to be that way. I just wanted to show you that hate towards pedophiles is not necessary, and it is not very loving, and it doesn't even solve the problem at all. And you're kind of limiting yourself if you're putting people in categories like, this is an evil person because of his sexuality, and this is a good person because they're normal. You're putting boundaries on reality, and that's limiting you. In the same way that you don't want someone else to tell you how you should feel, and you don't want someone else to repress your sexuality and to attack you for how you are. Imagine that's you. Imagine that you had to go through it, and you have to hide and pretend like you're normal as everyone else. Like, it wouldn't be so fun and so easy for you, would it? So, to sum up, the point is to, for your own sake and for the sake of the person, to not judge them, in the same way that you don't judge a black person because he's black. Maybe you do, but you shouldn't. In the same way you shouldn't judge the black person that he's black. In the same way you shouldn't judge someone for their psychology and for what they're born with. You're damaging really the person's health, because a person can't be healthy if he needs to repress himself, and he needs to be afraid of everyone, and be afraid of what if everyone finds out, or even if people do find out, then he's an evil person and viewed by society as an evil person, and his life is you can destroy his life, literally. People judge and criticize, judge and criticize him, and then his life would be over. And it's not that easy to just like control yourself and to repress it. Like, imagine if someone told you you shouldn't have sex anymore, and you shouldn't be in a relationship with anyone anymore, like till the end of your life, because that person can't really be in a relationship with a child, can he? So yeah, imagine that. Imagine that you have to get rid of all your relationships till the end of your life, and that you have to repress your sexuality. Like, it wouldn't be so fun like it is right now. And I just want you to put yourself in his shoes to see that he has this problem, and that you don't have to make it even worse by judging the poor person. And I'm not saying you should approve his likings of children. I mean, it is weird, but people have their own disabilities and their own problems, so you can't really judge them for that. And yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I just thought that I'd share this insight that they are people just like us, and that we don't need to judge them because of the way they are. So yeah, that's it. If you have any comments or any thoughts, you can comment down below. If you like the video, like it and share it or whatever. And subscribe if you're new, so you don't miss other videos that I'll be posting in the future. And they probably won't be like this. And yeah, there will be more usual stuff: spirituality, personal development, life advice and stuff. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.